This is Best from Best Review Warriors. Hello and welcome to my Profit Product Creator Review. In this video, I'll be walking you through this new software. As you can see, I'm right here in the members area. But before I walk you through this new product by Glenn Kofsky and his team, let me share with you some of the bonuses you will get when you pick up Profit Product Creator through my affiliate link. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell notification, and like this video. Once you pick Profit Product Creator through my affiliate link, you'll be getting buyer traffic secrets, grow email list in 30 days challenge, affiliate traffic lab, WordPress viral traffic ninja, 100 killer headline ideas, email marketing cheat sheets, WordPress YouTube monetizer, over 800 royalty-free graphics, SEO skills mastery, over 200 customizable logos, 2,500 high-converting email swipes, and several other bonuses here that are available for you once you pick up this product through my affiliate link. So now, what is the Profit Product Creator all about? It is a cloud-based software that enables you to build your own digital information product like ebook and PDF with a few clicks of the button. This product comes with 250,000 articles in different niches that you can easily pull from, edit them if you want, customize them also if you so desire, and create your own unique digital product from them. And you can create this product in different file formats. Now let me walk you through this Profit Product Creator. Here you have your dashboard. As you can see, this is what you watch before you begin. Here it shows you how many ebooks you have created. This is how many landing pages you have created and how many e-covers you have created. Then also this is where you have how many e-licenses you have created. If you stay with me further, I will walk you through how to create your ebooks and your e-cover. Now, here is your training area where you have a detailed step-by-step training videos how to use this software. You see this, welcome to Profit Product Creator, how to create your products. This is how to create your ebook. Then of course, you also have how to add additional chapters and element tutorials. This is your upgrade. That's how to use Super Affiliate Builder tutorial. That is, if you stay with me further, I will explain to you what this Super Affiliate Builder is all about. Here you have how to use landing pages tutorial. Of course, this also will be available to you depending on which version of this software you go for. And also you have how to use the done for you package tutorial. So this is here is create products. This is where you create your own digital product. Either you create using available information in Profit Product Creator database, or you create completely from scratch. That is, create your own product completely from scratch. Now here you have your e-cover creator. Now this is your e-cover creator. Here it captures how to create your e-covers and the various e-covers you have created. As you can see here, this is a list of e-covers that are already created. So you can easily create your own. I will walk you through that in just a bit. Now here you have your library showing you all the products that you have created. As you can see here, once you create your ebook, you can download as a PDF, as EPUB file, as a MOBI file, as an HTML file, and you can also have it downloaded as a Microsoft Word document. So here you have your done for you package. Of course, these are all depending on which of the OTOs you go for. Now here you have your license generator. This is where you generate your license. Of course, this is where free traffic, again depending. Now here in this section, Glenn reveals a secret. If you stay with me to the end, I will tell you what secret that Glenn reveals in this section of this members area. So now let me take you to how you can create your ebook. So for you to create your ebook, you simply come over to create ebook. Now you can either choose from the database or you create manually. for the purpose of this training, we will create from the database. And like I said earlier, everything that you need to make this product work for you is contained in the training area. So if you want to create our own digital product, we click on database. And here it says for you to do that, you need to find a keyword depending on which niche you are in, whether you are in the make money online niche or you are in the health and fitness niche. Whatever niche you are in, you can easily create your ebook around keywords in your niche. For instance, you can decide to create a product in the health and fitness niche. You can say, let's say for instance, we want to build an ebook around building muscle. You can simply choose build muscle. Then we can choose where we want to pull our content from, either from the PLR, from the BCS repository, or from our own collection, as you can also feed your own collection of articles into this software. So assuming we take from the PLR repository, then how do you want your keywords to be displayed? You either want any keyword, all keywords, or exact phrases. So for the purpose of this training, we can choose exact phrases. Now, collection, how many articles you want the software to generate for you? Either 10, as the case may be. So for the purpose of this training, we can choose 50. And now we can go ahead and find the articles. Okay. Now you see the various articles that have been generated here. So you can go through them, go through the articles, and select the ones you feel that are fit for your ebook publication. For instance, high protein diet and food for muscle building. You can select this. Increase your training intensity, training to failure. This is also good. You can select. So essentially, what you do is you select contents that you think are relevant for your ebook. So as you can see here, there are several contents we can choose from, several articles we can choose from. So once you are done, once you are satisfied with the content you have picked, once you are satisfied, you simply create your ebook. So now as you can see here, this is an image of what we have created so far using the software. This is a collection of all the content we have generated so far using the software. But we need to go ahead and package the book very well. And for this, we'll be doing this. Now we need to add a title. See here, because we did not add a title, that is why it is giving us the default, the new ebook. So, but we need to add a title. So here we can add a title, building. Now the author, we can decide to choose here the cover page. So we can decide to choose from any of these, or we can create our own cover page. So here we can easily add. So here is where we customize our font types, our font sizes, and all that. Here where we have our dark mode, here we can do our page numbering format. As you can see from this ebook here, we don't have any page numbering format. So here we can create our page numbering format, either in header or in footer. Let's say in footer, our page numbering. This is how we create our page numbering. Now this is where we set our header. Here you can add your affiliate link if you want. And this is where you align whether you want to the left, to the right. All these you can easily customize. But for the purpose of this, here you also set your footer settings. There's a detailed step-by-step training video on how this can be done. Now this is where you have your various chapters. This is your various chapters. Now you can decide if you want this to be your chapter 1, it becomes your chapter 1. If you want this to be your chapter 1, so you can do all that. You can rearrange the articles, which will be your chapter 1 and all that. So you can arrange, and once you are done, you simply click on Save Order. And then of course you can also add new chapters. So as you can see here, since I didn't click Save Changes here, the reordering we did not save. But for you to be able to save your changes, you click on Save Changes. And once that is done, now let us see what our ebook will look like. I haven't done this adjustments. Remember, we have not added our cover page yet. Now, as you can see, after the adjustments, you can see what our ebook now looks like. Remember, it's not a finished product here because we have not added the cover page. So this is what our ebook now looks like. As you can see, so you see, now that we are done with creating the ebook, we can now go ahead and create the e-cover. And to do that, you click on this link. So here you can either activate these API keys, and a detailed step-by-step training video on how to do that is in the members area. And then you can also create your e-cover from scratch. And all you need to do is click on this. Either you want a flat e-cover, a 3D cover, or a 3D CD. So for us, we'll just create a flat e-cover. That's for the purpose of our training. So here we have different templates we can select from. If you find a template that fits, you can easily select from this. But for us, we don't have a template. We can actually create from blank. We can actually start from scratch. But for the purpose of this training, we'll just select any of these templates. So we select this, and we click on Create. So now this is our template, and as you can see, every aspect of this we can easily customize. Okay, we can easily customize this. So here we can play around with all this and easily customize every aspect of course, here we can move it around. You can see. So once we are done, we can save and close. So of course, you can play around with this to get a better cover page. So our e-cover has been successfully saved. So here we can download our e-cover as a JPEG, or as a PNG file. Then these are the actions we can take. We can preview, we can edit, we can even delete. So now let us go back to our ebook. Now this is our ebook. So like I said earlier, you can download as a PDF, you can download as an EPUB file, as a MOBI file, HTML file, and now we can preview our ebook. We can also edit our ebook. So we'll come here and click Edit. Now remember, we did not add our cover page initially because we had not created one, but now we've created one. So let us go and add our cover page. Now this is the cover page we created. We simply add it. Now we can say we have completely concluded the creation of our ebook. So now let us go ahead and save changes. Now you can see our cover page has been added. So there's so much you can do with this. All you need to do is check the videos in the training area for more guide on how to effectively use this. So once we are done, we can now generate our ebook and see what it looks like. So now, as you can see, our ebook has been generated. So we can download as a PDF. You can also download as a HTML file. Let's download that and see what it will look like. So you can see what it looks like as a HTML file. You can see there our link. Assuming you want, as you can see here, we have our link attached to this. Now this is also our PDF. So as you can see, Now, this is also our link that we imputed when we were creating the ebook. So as you can see, this product creates for us ebook easy and fast. So if you think this product is for you, simply click on the link in the description below and it will take you to our bonus page that will look exactly like this. Scroll down the bonus page and click on this button and it will take you to the Profit Product Creator sales page that will look exactly like this. Now once you scroll down the sales page and click on this button, you get access to buy this product. So now let me briefly take you through the sales page. Here it says the world's first 100% done for you digital product creator suite. Brand new web-based app creates highly profitable digital products and gets unlimited buyer traffic and leads in under 60 seconds. Well, that is true. It creates you digital product ebook, but getting that done within 60 seconds or getting you buyer traffic within 60 seconds may not be exactly correct. It is quite hypey that you can make over $100,000 per month with digital product. Now it's your turn. Yes, says 100% newbie friendly, no skills required. You create digital products in under 60 seconds. Well, that is not true, but you can leverage the content used by others. You make passive income, big commissions, and build your email list. Yes, once you use this software to create your digital products, you can actually give them out as lead magnets to create your email list. It says 100% free traffic included. Well, it shows you, like I said, Glenn gave a little secret about free traffic, and I will share that with you if you stay with me further. It says build your own 7-figure digital product creation empire, all inclusive solution with zero monthly cost. Yes, that is also true, because if you pick this product, you'll be getting it at a one-time fee. And if you stay with me further, I will tell you how much. And it says bonus if purchased today, 100% free traffic app included with your purchase. That is true. That is the secret that I'll be revealing to you shortly. Now it says the 3 steps to create your own passive source of income. You purchase this Profit Product Creator, you create your product, then you monetize. How do you monetize? Add your affiliate links and sales info, hit the traffic button, and watch the sales and commissions roll in on autopilot. Well, that is a bit hypey, but if you are consistent with this product, you can actually begin to see some good affiliate commissions. So, Profit Product Creator helps newbies get sales and commissions. That is also true. If you do it correctly, it will help you build your email list. Yes, that is true, because you'll be creating a lot of products that you can use as lead magnets. And that explains why I have offered you these bonuses: buyer traffic secret, grow email list in 30 days challenge, WordPress viral traffic ninja, 100 killer headline ideas, email marketing cheat sheets. This is why I have put together all these bonuses for you, including the 800 royalty-free graphics. As you know, graphics play a key role in getting your audience engaged with your content. So with this over 800 royalty graphics, you will have no shortage of content to produce your stunning ebooks. So now let me take you back to the sales page. So it says why you need to grab Profit Product Creator. So you can actually take the time and go through this sales page for more information and tips on how to use this product. So now, why should you get Profit Product Creator? Because it is easy to use and completely newbie friendly. Remember, you have over 250,000 articles that you can select from to build your ebooks in any niche of your choice. So it cuts down the time that it will take you to research into this niche, into the various niches, especially if you're a newbie. So it will help you in creating content easily And then, of course, you can download your ebooks in various file formats. That is also another reason why you should get this ebook. Because when you do that, you can easily meet your audience at various points. It saves costs because with this product, all you need to do is a one-time payment. And with that, you need not pay extra to continue to generate content. And with the bonuses I'll be offering you, you can actually generate even far more unique content. Then you can create passive income sources. With this software, you can create several digital products because you have a huge library of articles to pick from. You can churn out several high quality contents, but you will need to do some work to make sure those contents are exceptional quality. Of course, you can also use these ebooks to grow your email list. You can also build your e-learning platform and use this product to do that. If you need more information on how to create your e-learning platform, check in the description below for a link on how to create e-learning platform without the hassle of managing it. You can also create membership sites, and you will use these ebooks to enrich the content in your members area. And for you to create multiple membership sites at no cost at all, check also in the link in the description below. I will leave you a link on that. Now you also get free quality traffic from Glenn. Here in the members area, Glenn reveals that once you pick up this product and you use the product and you create your own funnels, he will send you traffic from his own traffic source. And I can tell you, traffic from Glenn is exceptionally of good quality, given the kind of sales that he makes daily from his business. Now, in the members area, you also have video trainings on how to use this software. Now, to the secret that I've been talking about, Glenn will be offering you 3 of his premium products, Viral Newsjacker, and 2 others that you can use to begin to generate traffic on autopilot to build your list using your ebooks. Then, of course, this product comes with a 30 days money back guarantee, such that if you buy, it does not meet your expectation, then you can easily return it and have your refund with no questions asked. But I tell you, you will have no reason returning this product. Now, let me take you to the sales funnel. When you buy the Profit Product Creator, there will be an early bird price of $17. But this price will be going up in the next couple of days. So I urge you, if this product resonates with you, pick up the front end at the cheapest price you can get it for $17. Now, what do you get in the front end? Like I showed you, you create your own unique digital information product in 60 days. Well, I don't think you can create it in 60 days. You get unlimited traffic, lead, and sales with your new products. Then you make 100% passive income from free viral traffic, affiliate commissions, and product sales. Yes, you can do that. Then you build your list. You create unlimited stunning ebooks, lead magnets, and digital info products in minutes. True, no need to write your own word or content. This is 100% done for you. So you legally take content from a list of 250 articles, which is also true. Advanced tech lets you leverage existing online content just by entering any URL. Now you start from scratch, add your own content if you want. You mix up content so that you can have 100% unique content, as I said earlier. Then it simply point and click e-cover generator included. Never pay for expensive designer or software again, which is also true. Then you say top converting landing pages, delivery pages, and premium hosting included. Zero ongoing cost. Yes, as a cloud-based software, you do not have to pay for a domain name or web hosting to get this product working for you. So now, and all this you get for $17. Then you have the OTO1, which is the Profit Product Creator Unlimited version. Here you'll be getting everything in the unlimited version, and it will be going for $97 with a down sale of $47. Then the OTO2, which is the Profit Product Creator 100% done for you. Here you get the process done for you, and it will be going for $97 with a down sale of $47. Then in the OTO3, which is the Profit Creator Unlimited Traffic, here you'll be able to tap from the traffic source of Glenn Kosky. And I tell you, knowing how much sales Glenn makes daily from his traffic sources, I tell you, you will want to grab this. But like I said, it's entirely up to you if this is what you want. Then in the OTO4, which is a 30 days in $30,000 in 30 days version, which will be going for $97 with a down sale of $47. Here you get the opportunity to clone Glenn's business through getting other resources and support that will position you to earn $30 in 30 days, and it will be going for $97 with a down sale of $47. Then you have the OTO5, which is the Profit Product Creator Super Affiliate version. In OTO5, you unlock additional resources and tools that will enable you to deepen your affiliate marketing reach and therefore sales revenue. Then the OTO6, which is the Profit Product Creator License Rights, will be going for $97 with a down sale of $67. Here, you get the opportunity to sell Profit Product Creator as your own and keep 100% commissions across the funnel. Then the OTO7, which is the Profit Product Creator Autopilot List Builder. In this, you will activate the email list building functionality of this software that will ensure that you begin to build your list on autopilot. So, if you think this product is for you, simply click on the link in the description below, and it will take you to a bonus page that will look exactly like this. Scroll down the bonus page and click on this button, and you'll be taken to the Profit Product Creator sales page that will look exactly like this. Once you scroll down the sales page and click on this button, you have access to buy this product. I tell you, getting this product will be a complete game changer. If you have found our review video useful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell notification and like this video so that when next we upload review videos like this, your attention will be drawn to it. Thank you for watching our Profit Product Creator review video to the end. See you in the next.